Hey folks, Vortex here and welcome to my review of the InAwaken Dawn Ms, as you can see. So 11.2mm Sputter Deposition Purple-Gold Diaphragm. So that's definitely quite a mouthful to say. So yeah, I've had a few requests to try these and here they are eventually. And yeah, as usual, full disclaimers, I'd like to thank Linsol for sending them out to me, so thank you very much. I was not paid to do this video, and all thoughts, opinions are my own, and yeah, I'm quite looking forward to these because I say that they have a lot of interest, and I've no idea what these sound like, so let's just get into it. So let's have a closer look. These are very small, but it says Purple Gold Diaphragm, CNC, Custom Driver, Art Panel, Base Superposition System, RFC cable, and it's an InAwaken / Hey construction. So yeah, I'm quite curious of that. So nothing really on the side. Okay, so on the back, what we got, that's meant to be the frequency response. Obviously I'll graph it as well, obviously some information here. Yeah, so 110 decibel sensitivity, so that's quite high. The standard 20 Hz to 20 kHz, a standard impedance of 32 ohm, the Sputter Deposition Diaphragm. So we'll see what that's like. 0.782 pin, obviously 3.5 jack. So let's see what you get. I think these are priced, I think $50. I think something that kind of ballpark. If I actually get the back open. Silly me. There's a tag. First time I've seen that on a pair of IMs. So okay, that's pretty cool. The thing is though, because it's already in the outer box, that one, you would have kept them in, so let's have a look at those in a sec. Okay, they've stuck them on. These remind me of something else. Is it the Kiwi Singolos? So, just take that one off. Really short nozzle. So yeah, this reminds me of the overall shape. They say those Kiwi is Singolos. So obviously I've looked at that a bit. Bit of paperwork in there. I'll have a look at off camera. I don't think there's anything important in there, but obviously I'll have a look anyway. A bunch of stuff. Let's do this one. Cable, let's have a look. Looks so, I can already see through it. Looks kind of similar. Let's have a look. Okay, seems fine. I think I've seen this kind of cable before. Obviously it's 3.5 L, and obviously should be R on the back of that one. I'll open that up in a bit, but yeah, that should be fine. So I presume carry case and tips, I guess. That's a nice case. This kind of effect, rubbery. Seems pretty cool. Let's see what tips comes with. I'll have a look at those in a bit, and obviously there's another setup there. So yeah, I'll have a look in a bit. So two different tips, you can just see it popping through. And yeah, so not bad presentation. I think it's $50 for this. So yeah, I'm quite curious to this because it seems quite thick, but that nozzle's really short. So yeah, I'll see you when I spent a bit of time in it. So yeah, see you in the future. Yes, so welcome to my review section, the InAwaken Dawn Ms, which is a bit of a funny name. Anyway, I wanted to show you what it looks like with the tips. So these are, it comes with the, see, you can see the blue ring. This is the one with like a really light yellow, if you want to call that. So, and obviously that's the slightly different. It's hard to get on camera. These are slightly more curved at the top, basically, than these. This is like, it's kind of more of a flat top. And that's it really. Obviously they come in small, medium, large and all that stuff. So anyway, this is what it looks like with the cable. Quite a nice cable, to be honest. I think I've seen this somewhere before, but I've reviewed so many IMs. I can't remember which one, but I think I've seen. That's it. So straight 3.5 with the branding on. It's kind of out wound together. Very nice. Very soft cable. Has a Y split. Obviously here. Chin slider is super loose, which is, in my opinion, kind of useless. Anyway, that's what they look like. Obviously attached. Very nice looking IM. Obviously you can see it says the driver in there. And that kind of the number, I think. PGM something. Yeah, and that's what they look like. I like, it's always good when you have a really, obviously really kind of supple kind of cable. Anyway, so comfort and fit. Now, let's take one of these off. So comfort wise, not too bad, but I had to try. They did take a look for me a little bit of adjusting because see the this length's very short, but in the end it worked out okay. Obviously not the best I've seen, but obviously I've tried better and I've tried worse. It's just somewhere in the middle. Blue driver, which looks really good. One of the best IMs I've seen for a while. Also you can see this kind of vent here. I guess there's somewhere there, but very nice construction. Thick DD as you can see here. Yeah, so pound sensitivity. I didn't really find it that different. Really that difficult to power. Relatively normal. It's not a planar. Yeah, that's all I can say really. So timbre on this set is actually pretty good. Same for technicalities and same for the overall resolution. Not bad. $50 set. Not too bad at all. Sound stage on this set is actually, again, I think it sounds pretty good. Sounds fairly wide for an IM, but yeah, it's not too bad. And imaging seems okay. So strong to sound, because obviously a lot of folks are interested in these sets. So I'll just put the graph up now so you can have a look. So yeah, it has a kind of familiar graph. So you can see low end is, this is quite a bassy boy. It has a really nice kind of rumble to the sound, as you can probably imagine. But yeah, I say I like electronic music and it works. I think it works very well for that. Now this isn't a set who likes a neutral or very clean presentation. It's a bit coloured, as you can probably see. As it said, there's a bit of bleed from the mid-range. Now it kind of has probably slightly more than you'd probably want, but it makes this quite a fun sounding, exciting kind of set of IMs, and I don't mind that. Trying to match on this set seems again pretty good for $50. But yeah, bassy set, the DD's decay seems quite good. Quite a fun set. I enjoy my time in it. Again, I tried it with a bunch of electronic music and it was all good really. It was also one of those sets where you want to keep turning it up, which you have to be very careful, obviously, for your hearing. But it feels like you want to turn it up kind of thing. But anyway, mid vocals is good for male and female. Male sometimes can sound a bit thick, as you can probably imagine. But yeah, overall good set. Again, mid-range is, say, it's a bit coloured, but it is what it is. Treble, a little bit forward in the presence region, but it doesn't really seem like it doesn't really sound like it's a very bright set. Like I said, it feels like you want to keep turning up. I think because it's got quite a bit of low end, it kind of counteracts that kind of the treble it has, so you want to keep turning up. But yeah, treble on this set I think is pretty good. I don't normally like the boosting, like that kind of part of the presence region. I prefer a little bit smoother there, but it doesn't really sound all that bright. It does sometimes have a bit to it. It depends on certain vocalists. It can be a bit, sometimes sounds a bit forward, and you can hear it. But on the whole, not a bad set. I'm quite glad I managed to try these out. Obviously, I think for $50, I do like what they sound like. I think it's a solid proposition for $50. But bear in mind, these are not like an amazing set. They are a decent set, in my opinion. Obviously, they're not groundbreaking, but they're pretty good, really. But before I obviously get to my conclusion, is the treble on the whole not too bad. Sometimes it seems a little safe. So some instruments seem a little bit further back, and then obviously some seem a little bit further forward than I'd class as normal, but overall tuning is pretty good really. And yeah, kind of short and sweet really. So conclusion is, do I recommend these? Yes. $50, kind of easy recommendation. They aren't nothing groundbreaking, they're not phenomenal pair of IMs, but for $50 I think them pretty good. Good tips really. Again, this is one of the blue ones, if it focuses. Yeah, so yeah, pretty good. Good build's really, really nice. Probably one of the better looking ones I've seen for quite a while. Fits pretty good. You might have to like tip swap. But yeah, it comes. I guess it comes with that case. Comes with the cables. Really nice, I think. And yeah, overall, not a bad set. Not perfect, but it's what it is really. And yeah, $50, not too bad. And yeah, if you think I missed anything about these or want to know anything else at all that I may have missed, then obviously as usual, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you in the next video.